Hello guys and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the NASDAQ 100 after this yet again another bloodbath here to end the trading week. But just before I do that, I have some very exciting news. I am now officially on Instagram. This is my name, stocktrader_max. Go and give me a follow. I launched this account just yesterday, so I don't have that many posts, but I'm going to be posting some fantastic content on here. Lots of motivational videos and pictures. So, if you're new to trading or been trading for a while and you really want some motivational content, definitely please go and give me a follow at stocktrader_max. And also just a quick shout out to anyone who wants to join my signal service, dailymarketmovements.com. I left the website link in the description of today's video. I charge a very small fee of $29.99. But let's start with today's video. Of course, yesterday I drew these blocks, and if you missed yesterday's video, it basically meant that this white box here I am nibbling. This is an area to nibble at the NASDAQ 100. And what do I mean by nibbling? I mean only opening very small trading positions. I nibbled earlier on this week, and unfortunately it hit my stop loss today as we took out last Thursday's lows here for the NASDAQ 100, which was around 11,600. So as you can see, we're now trading at around 11,600, but the low of today's trading session was all the way down at 11,491. Now this green box represents an area where I'm going to be investing quite a lot of money in. This is an area where I will be much more confident in opening bigger positions here in the NASDAQ 100. So this is from 13,000 onwards, and this marks the bottom of this A leg from this ABC correction pattern. And of course, this blue box represents an area where I will be profit taking. This is above the B section. So of course we had A, B, C. So anywhere above this B section, which is around 15,300, if we broke towards the upside, or probably I should really put this blue section, if I just adjust that, I should really put it above the 0.786 fib area here for the NASDAQ 100. So anywhere above 15,700 all the way up to the previous all-time highs at around 16,800, and this is an area where I believe we will trade up to going into the latter end of 2022. So from June onwards, I really do expect this market to bounce back nicely and for us to go and retarget the previous all-time highs here for the NASDAQ 100. I think the RSI needs to hit the oversold territory. We are fastly approaching that, currently trading at 33.80, but of course this week has been horrendous, and I think this now marks 8 negative weeks in a row. I think it's 7 or 8, I don't know the number off the top of my head, but it just shows how bearish this market has been over the past 2 months, and I think that we are fastly approaching a bottom here, guys. I really do. I think 11,000, we don't break below this area, again, another reason as to why I believe that is because if we just take if we kind of just copy the same length that we fell in the A leg from this ABC correction and adjusted that here, it pretty much takes us to where we are right now with the NASDAQ 100, pretty much this area here, which is around 11,500. This is where I really do believe we will start to bounce, and it may be that we go and test the 11,000 area as it is the next large psychological round number figure, but I think that we are fastly approaching the bottom here for the NASDAQ 100. I don't want to guess what number we bottom at, and I don't want to guess the date, but I really do believe that we will fastly be approaching a bottom at some point within the next month or so for the NASDAQ 100. So I am definitely bullish medium to longer term. Short term, just got to be very cautious, and as I mentioned at the start of today's video, this is an area where I'm only wanting to nibble. And as I mentioned at the start of today's video, guys, do not forget to go and give me a follow, stocktrader_max.